Understanding Hose Assembly, an English language guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term hose assembly. This is a technical phrase often used in mechanical and industrial contexts, and understanding it can be quite useful, especially for those interested in engineering or related fields. So, let's dive in and demystify this term. Hose assembly refers to a combination of hoses and fittings assembled together into a complete system. Hoses are flexible tubes used to convey fluids from one location to another. In a hose assembly, these hoses are typically equipped with fittings or connectors at the ends, allowing them to be attached to different equipment or machinery. A typical hose assembly consists of three main components. 1. The hose. This is the flexible conduit made of various materials like rubber, plastic, or metal. 2. Fittings or connectors. These are attached to the ends of the hose and can be made of different materials, depending on the application. 3. Additional accessories. This can include protective sleeves, labels, or tags, which provide extra functionality or information. Hose assemblies are crucial in various industries. Some common applications include hydraulic systems in vehicles and machinery, where they transport hydraulic fluid. Water supply in firefighting, gardening, and irrigation systems. Air and gas transport in HVAC systems or for pneumatic tools. Understanding where and how hose assemblies are used helps us appreciate their importance in everyday industrial and mechanical applications. That's a wrap on our exploration of hose assembly. I hope this video has been enlightening and has helped you better understand this technical term. If you're interested in more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.